Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in a simple, enjoyable, and natural way. You don't need to study hard or memorize difficult rules. Just listen carefully, relax, and watch this video several times. That's how you'll start improving your English while learning about fascinating parts of life in the United States. Today's video is all about Black Friday, one of the wildest, most exciting, and sometimes even chaotic shopping days in America. You may have seen videos of huge crowds, long lines, and people rushing through store doors. But what is Black Friday? And why do Americans go crazy shopping on this day? Let's find out. Black Friday takes place the day after Thanksgiving, which is always on the fourth Thursday of November. That means Black Friday usually falls between November 23rd and 29th. It is considered the unofficial start of the holiday shopping season in the U.S., especially for Christmas. But where did the name Black Friday come from? In the 1960s, police officers in Philadelphia used the term to describe the heavy traffic and crowds that filled the city the day after Thanksgiving. It wasn't a positive term at first, but retailers later gave it a new meaning. In accounting, businesses that are profitable are said to be in the black. So Black Friday became known as the day when stores finally turn a profit for the year. So why do Americans go shopping like crazy? Because stores offer massive discounts and limited time deals on everything from electronics and clothes to toys and furniture. People wake up early or stay up all night just to be first in line when stores open. Some stores even open at midnight or during Thanksgiving night. It's a tradition for many families and friends to go shopping together on Black Friday. For some, it's just as important as Thanksgiving itself. And while online shopping is now more popular than ever, many people still love the experience of shopping in person, grabbing a bargain, and maybe even racing a stranger to grab the last TV on the shelf. In recent years, Cyber Monday has also become popular. It happens the Monday after Thanksgiving and focuses on online deals. But Black Friday is still the biggest shopping day of the year in the U.S., with billions of dollars spent in just 24 hours. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning why Americans go crazy shopping on Black Friday, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That's where you'll review what you've learned and keep growing in your English and cultural knowledge. Please give this video a like and share it to help us continue growing and creating better content for you. See you in the next adventure.